If you want to delete text messages or chats in the Google Messages app on Google Pixel 11, once you open Google Messages, if you want to delete some individual messages, you can just simply open the chat or conversation, and then press and hold your finger to select the message that you want to get rid of. And after selecting the first one, you can keep tapping on more and more and more messages, so you can select everything that you want to remove. And then here at the top, you should be able to find this trash or bin icon. So you can just tap over here and then confirm that you want to delete it. Keep in mind that if you delete individual messages, then it is removed permanently, or they are removed permanently, so you cannot recover them. Whereas if you try to remove a conversation or a chat, you can do exactly the same thing, of course, to try to delete it. So let's say I'm going to select this one over here. Of course, I can select more. And then you can tap on this trash here in the upper right corner. And then in this case, we move the chat to the bin or trash. So it is not removed forever just yet. You still have 30 days to, for example, recover the conversation. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.